Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Apple has just launched the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025, and today I'm going to show you why this might be the biggest iPhone upgrade in years. But before we dive in, I have some exciting questions for you guys, so stick around till the end and let me know your answers in the comments. Highlights: design, sleeker titanium build, slimmer bezels, and lighter weight. Display 6.9-inch ProMotion XDR OLED with a 240Hz refresh rate. Processor: brand new A19 Bionic chip with lightning-fast performance. Camera: AI-powered triple-lens camera system with 10 times zoom and cinematic video features. Battery: long-lasting with 40-watt fast charging plus reverse wireless charging. Software: iOS 19 with smarter AI assistant and new privacy tools. Engagement questions. Now here's where I really want to hear from you. Do you think the iPhone 17 Pro Max camera is finally better than Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera? Apple introduced reverse wireless charging this year. Would you actually use it to charge your AirPods or a friend's iPhone? The price is rumored to be around $1,399. Is it worth upgrading from iPhone 16 Pro Max? Or would you stick with your current phone? If you could change just one thing about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, what would it be? So that's everything about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful iPhone yet. Now it's your turn. Drop your answers in the comments below because I'll be replying to as many of you as possible. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more Apple updates. See you in the next one.